Hi guys, today in this tutorial, on this new tutorial, we're going to learn new course. So we already finished our part in HTML and CSS. So for web design. So today we are going to learning for backend. There's for front end and back end. So for front end, guys, meaning the React, and, HTML and CSS and JavaScript and PHP. So this language for front end. So when you start to learn front end, we focus on how to create a website, how to design for this kind of things. So, but in fact, you are going to create a really applications, like a big applications for marketing. So like e-commerce website or big application or big company. So it's meaning really big website for REST API. So there's a many API. So how we are going to use it? We are going to use Node.js and Express and Mongoose and MongoDB for database. So these four languages we are going to learn in this new course. So guys, if you are new here, so and you don't know about the backend, so go at first, guys, go to at first to learning how to code in front ends and to get a good node in front end to become a master in front end, CSS and HTML and React and JavaScript, then will come to in backend. So backend, backend is not also difficult. People say backend is more difficult than frontend. No, frontend backend is more difficult because frontend when you understand about the coding, when you backend, you have a more experience, you have ideas about the program. So you are easy to learning about the backend. So in that case, I'm going to today show you in this first our tutorial. If you guys knew how to download the Node.js and Express in your computer, go back to my previous videos in my programming academic. Go to how to download your local machine or your computer, and then we'll come back to here. And so that's to learning this tutorial. So this is the done course, and I hope guys be patient until learning this amazing course, and it's for free. And yes, let's to share these ideas together, build our community, and to learning together, to sharing the world. So many people they want to learn. Yes, and get started. Okay. So guys, you already have it here. This is a server. Yes, or this is a not yes file, and then we have modules to guys here. Yeah, modules. Look how many. So this is a more thing. So there's many things here. So most of them we are going to learn because these modules let us our application. Yeah. So there's many arrays and for pressure and so on. There's many things debugging, many things. These are modules that in package all work. You see express and then node for package. You will understand the version, and then you see the many things here. And then the second is one, see our file, REST API, the REST API, our folder, the registration region, and then this file guys, I for the node server, yes, right? So this file is in here, is inside here, right? The server, yes. But I need this one serve. So this is very professional where you can this one. Some people they not do this one, but I hopefully we do this one. It's the very good. Come to here, pack it, and then write so, and then string and the third in the column, and then note yes, yes, okay. And that because when I go to run uh, terminal, I only use so I don't want to use every time not server.js, not server.js. I don't need to do that one. I'm just only to run this one. Yeah. So because of that, I use this one. Right. So yeah. Okay. Yes. Now go to here and then go to run. Here we see concept express. We require to express concept of obligations for servers and concept board. So I say 5,000. So if you want to change 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, whatever, 6,000, whatever you want, you can put it. This is you. Then get this for get application for this for applications to get meaning applications you see here program for applications and recording. So everything when you inside here is for recording for permit to give response, so we have already request and response here and your function and response send forwarded to our API. Then application to listing we want to listing for 5,000 the entire function on that console block. So this is the expressions of API running on the board. So these are the expressions we are going to see where from the log go to terminal here, terminal here, then npm server. I told you here, right, in the package. You see here, this one, we only run in this one. So this is our file here. So everybody gets saved and then to run, okay? Now we're going to be in the browser. So yes. So why this one guy give us because we already our board is already I wanted to it's working. Localhost, I want to check. Yes, guys. So here we have a 5,000 hello world. Also, guys, I want to show you another application that's called get post. We are going to it. I go to download get posts for free from Google. Download your editor, then come to here, get, then to this one, localhost here. Because in here, an API, we are always testing. So when we testing, so we have to use like this things to get our application to test. If there's anything not working, we test here. We get post. So here we have a get post, get put, get, then delete, and but then hit, so on. We are now in get again. One here, hello world. So guys, to do it these things in your market, and then we are going to learn in our next tutorial. I'm going to show you many things. So see you in the next tutorial.